Hey guys, Clay and Coco with EKnives.com, and we are going to talk about something that is kind of new to us this year, and that is kitchen knives or kitchen cutlery.
It's especially new to her because it's the kitchen.
See if he gets dinner tonight. Owning a knife company for, 13 years now? I never had a nice set of kitchen knives until last year. However, it's a game changer, for real. It really does make a difference, and it actually makes cooking fun. I love using my knife set. So kitchen knives, that's something that I've always had a few of here and there, but nothing that we've really focused on until this year. We've really started adding to that cutlery collection. And I will say it's something in 2026 that I want to learn a lot more about because I think it's a game changer. I love this, and I actually really want to dive in and learn a lot about it. But today we're just going to talk a little bit about a selection that we have.
We've got some different brands here. A lot of them are Microtech because we've recently gotten a lot of the Microtech culinary line that they came out with this year. A lot of them are Microtech models, but we have a lot of other options too. Going into 2026, we will have a lot more options. It's hard when you're growing a company to throw everything in at once. You have to start picking things so you can bring in. Culinary is definitely something we want to work on. First up, this is Serene Kitchen Co., a division of Red Horse Knife Works. This is their chef knife, Magna Cut steel. Doesn't your mom have one of these?
No, so I've actually gifted these to two different people, and we have one at home that I've used, but I have done these as gifts for two different people.
Oh no, it was Christy that was talking about
this.
This.
So actually the couple that we bought our house from last year, we kind of became friends with them and loved them so much, and it was such an easy, good transaction. So she was a huge chef, huge cook.
Yeah.
And so we actually gifted her this specific knife. Last year, she came back in and bought one for her daughter because her daughter loved it so much. She said that she uses this knife all the time. Great thing about this knife, it's your chef knife. As far as chef knives go, those are kind of your MVP. They have that rounded belly, so it's really good for that rocking motion when you're chopping, dicing, all of that good stuff. This one I love because Clay already said it, it's Magna Cut. If you get lazy and forget to maybe dry your knife or wash it at the end of the day and put it up, it's Magna Cut. So it's pretty much gonna be corrosion resistant. You're not gonna have to worry about rust on this. Pretty low maintenance knife. It has a G10 handle. It's a really nice textured feel. So if your hands are wet, slippery, anything like that, you're gonna have a great grip on it. Also, I bet my husband doesn't know this.
I don't know what those are for.
So
that's to keep the food from sticking.
It is. Yep. These indentions right here will actually keep your food from sticking or easier to just slide off. This is an amazing option. I love this, and it comes in this really nice wooden display box or storage box, and it's just really beautiful. Great knife, low maintenance knife, great for anyone.
A couple of different colors and handle too. G10.
That's a red and black G10, and then we also have a solid black G10, but great option. This is the chef knife from Serene Knives. This one's $3.95. Again, you have that Magna Cut, and you can't really go wrong with that. Also, I think this is American made. This is a hammered Sanmai. I think it's hammered VG10 Sanmai. This is from Demko, and this is a Japanese red oak handle.
This thing feels great.
It's so light, is it not? It's amazing. Demko actually had these made. These are done in Japan. This is another option for a chef knife. If I didn't already have a really, really nice set of kitchen knives, I'd probably have gone with the Demko set because I love it so much. It's beautiful, cool. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. And again, I love that hammered Sanmai.
Yeah.
Those are two chef knives. We have several options. Microtech does a chef knife. We have options from Spyderco. So we have several different chef knife options. I think we have one from Tor. Let's talk about Santoku blades.
It's got a really big blade.
Yeah, these are Microtech Santokus. This is a 6-inch blade. This is the 4-inch version.
This thing has a really good feel.
Yeah, this is a Japanese style everything knife. These are great literally for any use in the kitchen. It's kind of a very great versatile knife. Slicing, chopping, if you need very tiny precision work, this is a great knife for that. It has more of the straight edge than the chef knife, and it's a little thinner. If you're trying to make smaller cuts and dices, these are a great option.
So slicing up a heirloom tomato?
Nope.
Anyway. I digress.
Let me tell you why. For
Yeah.
a tomato, we have like technically a paring, but it's serrated. So it has these like wavy serrations, not serrations like the teeth serrations, but like this
Like
wavy
waves.
serration, like for a bread knife as well. Whenever you're cutting something that is juicy and like will tear very easily,
Yeah.
like a tomato skin,
Yeah.
where you don't want it to like rupture because you're sawing into it, you want
Serrated
the
blade.
serrated blade.
Yeah, cool.
My Nana taught me that, so thank you, Nana. So let's talk about the paring knife. Which one's the paring knife?
That one?
See, you know more than... Yeah. Have you been holding out on me in the kitchen?
No, I don't see you in the kitchen.
See if you ever have Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner
It's
again.
going to be DoorDash for the rest of my life.
Rest of your life. So the paring knife is like your kitchen scalpel. It's like your smaller, really precise cutting, peeling, trimming.
I was going to say, can you peel an apple with that?
Yes,
Okay,
you can.
sweet.
Yep. So fruits, garlics, anything like that. So paring knife, you're gonna use this knife all the time. In between the paring and the chef knife, you have the utility. Do you know which one the utility knife is?
I would have said this, but I guess I'm going to go with this.
That's the Santoku. We already
Oh,
talked
that's
about
the
it.
small, this one.
Okay, yeah.
This is Vero.
It is.
This is Vero. I didn't see this lineup before. Normally, I lay all the knives out. She took care of this one. I don't know any of these, but I know this is Vero. Yes.
Yeah. Landon, who's working in our showroom now, we had a customer come in this week and he was trying to find a kitchen knife for his wife and daughter. So we pulled like all of these out. This is the knife you asked about my mom. We actually gave this specific
That's
knife
right.
to my mom last year for Christmas.
So utility is for what? Everything?
Utility
Kinda
is
like the-
everything. It's your in between. It's for things that are too big for like your
That.
paring knife,
But you don't need a chef knife.
too small. You guys, it's YouTube, so you will correct me if I'm wrong. I would say like your utility kitchen knife is like, if you could only have like one knife, probably be the best size, I would say. Like you can kind of use it for anything. Your small produce, onions. This is the Vero option. This comes in Nitro V.
Nitro V.
Nitro V. It comes in some different handle options. This one's a G10. It also comes in like a carbon fiber, marbled carbon fiber, all that good stuff. These are actually on sale on the website. And I had to just pull this one as well because I pulled the other Demko. This is Demko's version of the utility knife. Again, with that Sanmai hammered blade. I always see people doing this and they're like, oh, that kitchen knife's got a great balance. I don't really know what it means, but this one has a really great balance.
I'm not the only dumb one. Up
Tell me in the comments below.
there. Oh, they will.
Yes, I know.
All right,
I
what
know.
we got next? I know.
Okay,
I know what this is.
let's go.
This is a fillet knife.
It is a fillet knife. What makes it a fillet knife?
It's very bendy,
It is very bendy.
very flexible
Yep.
to get in there,
Very thin.
very thin, and
Yep.
it's very long.
And you have your big belly.
So this is a Benchmade. Okay,
This
so
is-
this one's probably Magna Cut,
This
Yeah.
is the water line.
Water
So
line,
I
yeah.
actually pulled the MeatCrafter.
the MeatCrafter. Well, so I was gonna say Sammy, our coach, would always buy the MeatCrafter.
He deer hunts, and so he actually uses this out in the field.
Yeah.
This is great for filleting anything. So of course your fish, anything like that. You can also use this for deboning.
Great feel. Super
Things like
light.
that. This is the Benchmade version. This is a
Magna Cut.
neoprene handle, Magna Cut. This knife goes from field to kitchen. That is the fillet knife. This is Benchmade. I think it's a fillet knife, but it kind of looks like a deboning knife to me as well. This is a deboning knife from Microtech. I love this one. This one has the maroon G10 handle with the titanium bolster.
Maroon or Merlot?
Merlot. This has a Merlot
Red.
maroon.
That much I know. That's about the only thing I know on this table.
This is going to come in the M390 MK steel. So again, it's going to be pretty easy maintenance, pretty low maintenance on this. Any of the Microtechs will be pretty low maintenance. This is probably what I needed for the turkey and the ham on Thanksgiving. You need to get in between, like down in the carcass, in between the bones, pull the bones out, all of that.
All you.
That's your knife right there. This is a Nakiri. This is used for produce. This is a straight edge Japanese style blade, and this is specifically for vegetables. Fast chopping, so you know how you see the
That's the fast chopper?
fast chopper vegetables.
Okay.
Your bell peppers, onions, anything like that. Like you want to chop fast, that blunt
That's so you don't stab
is so you
whatever you're
don't.
working on.
Yeah, cut your knuckles off like I've done. This one is from Spyderco. I actually really love this. This is part of their Murray Carter kitchen collection.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And this is a really nice, really nice
knife.
Yeah,
I love those.
And I love this handle. It's really beautiful. When you want to cut vegetables really fast like a pro, this is your knife. One additional add-on, well, you can't forget the steak knife. We eat a lot of meat in our house. You need like a really nice set of steak knives. This is steak knives from Microtech Knives. This comes in a set of 4. So you get 4 of these in a nice like box and with your covers and everything on them. They come in some different G10 handle colors, but this is a really nice set of steak knives.
I know what color that is. Do you?
I do.
What?
It's Caribbean blue.
Caribbean or Caribbean?
Tomato.
What are you cutting a watermelon with out of this lineup?
I'm gonna go...
You're going with a chef knife?
Yes, I'm gonna use a chef knife.
One of those two? Okay.
Yeah.
I can't be the only one wondering that.
All right, guys, comment below, like, you only have one kitchen knife. What type is your favorite? Like, what is your go-to? All right, what are you cutting a watermelon with?
What are you cutting your watermelon?
Also, do you have a set of knives? Do you kind of have like, you pick like a Microtech, you pick a Benchmade, like you kind of have like the whole kitchen sink as your kitchen knife collection? Let us know.
And if you need a set, visit our website. We have some now.
We have a lot more. We have some sets from Shun. Demko has a whole complete collection that you can buy in one set. We have some Microtech custom sets right now, which are really, really cool.
Hand wraps
by Bastian from Bastinelli Knives. Check it out. We have a kitchen tab. So go to our kitchen tab on EKnives.com and you can find all of our selection of kitchen knives.
She doesn't work on the website.
No, I'm learning kitchen knives.
Hit the like, subscribe button below if you haven't already. Follow us on all the socials. We're on all of them. Call us 423-525-9477. You can email us at support@eknives.com with 1K. We appreciate everything.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
And if you need any kitchen knives, hit us up.
Yeah.
Otherwise, have a nice day.